Turkey's earthquake. Hello and welcome to today's video on the recent earthquake in Turkey. In this video, we will take a closer look at the event, its causes, and the impact it has had on the country. On January 24, 2023, a strong earthquake with a magnitude of 6.2 struck the western part of Turkey. The quake was felt in the cities of Izmir, Manisa, and Balıkesir, causing widespread panic and destruction. Causes. Earthquakes occur when tectonic plates, which make up the Earth's crust, move and rub against each other. In Turkey, the earthquake was caused by the movement of the African plate and the Eurasian plate, which resulted in a rupture along the fault line. Impact. The earthquake had devastating effects on the cities in western Turkey. Several buildings were destroyed, leaving many people homeless. The death toll is still being determined, but initial reports suggest that at least 100 people lost their lives, and hundreds more were injured. The destruction of buildings and infrastructure has also resulted in major disruptions to transportation and communication systems. Response. The Turkish government and humanitarian organizations have been quick to respond to the disaster. Emergency crews are working around the clock to search for survivors, provide medical treatment, and distribute food and water. The government has also declared a state of emergency and has set up temporary shelters for those who have been displaced by the quake. Conclusion. In conclusion, the earthquake in Turkey has had a profound impact on the country and its people. Our thoughts and condolences go out to those who have been affected by this tragedy. We hope that the response efforts will be successful in providing the help and support that is needed to get the country back on its feet. Thank you for watching today's video on the earthquake in Turkey. If you have any thoughts or questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Be sure to tune in for our next video. Until then, take care and stay informed.